Hello mga kabayan, so we're back. And today, papakita ko po sa inyo kung paano po mag-verify ng inyong Gcash account if you are living abroad. So let's start! So login lang po kayo sa inyong Gcash. Then, let's start verifying it. Okay. So, click nyo lang po yung get verified. And, to get fully verified in 5 minutes, you have to have a valid ID. They will scan your face and fill the information. Okay, let's see. So, ito po yung mga recommended ID nila. UMID, driver's license, PhilHealth card, SSS ID, passport, and voter's ID. So I will choose the UMID. So dahil nga po pala sa GCQ sa Metro Manila, ang verification time is from 9 AM till 5 PM Philippine time. And so basically po, we will just scan the front of your ID. Then later on, meron pong photo taking. They will scan your face. And then later on, they will confirm your personal data. So, yun. So, ayan, application submitted. Please allow us 24 hours to review your application and you will be notified via SMS. Okay, so we will just wait for the text message. So after less than an hour, I already received the SMS and it says, "Congratulations, your account has been fully verified. You can now use send money, G-credit, PayPal linking, and more. Thank you for using Gcash." So, yan. Pwede na po natin magamit yung mga services ng Gcash. So, that's it. Thank you for watching.